Are you interested in learning about the stock market but find it all too complicated? Do you want to improve your financial literacy but don't know where to start? Looking to get into the stock market but don't know where to start? If you're also like most people, you probably don't know too much about the stock market. And that's okay. Have no fear, we're here to help. In this series of simple, easy-to-follow videos, we'll walk you through the basics of the stock market, good quality stocks, swing trading, and day trading. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, we've got something for you. Here, you will learn about the stock market in the most simplified way possible. In order to build financial discipline in the masses, it is important to simplify stock market education. By providing a basic understanding of how the stock market works, individuals will be better equipped to make informed investment decisions. You will gain a basic understanding of how the stock market works and discover how you can start investing today. We'll decode, analyze, and just talk about it all together. Welcome to our channel, Target Bullseye. Our daily video updates will help you stay ahead of the curve in the stock market. Our team of experts hand-picks the most promising stocks and sector trends to help you make the most profitable investment decisions. So, what are you waiting for? Start watching now.